Hey Pink Squad, my name is Barbie Pink Lifestyle, and if you're new swinging through, then welcome. If you're already a subscriber of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so today's video is going to be our Imats haul. So this is everything that I got from Imats. I have 3 bags, and yeah, they're not full to the top because I really focused on networking while I was in New York. I brought my business card, so if you met me, then probably got a business card for me because I was handing out my business cards like yeah, I was like handing out my business cards. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will include the prices and I will be swatching. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first thing that I have is, I guess I'll show you guys the bag. So I went to Lady Moss. I always hit Lady Moss booth when I go to any makeup convention. I love their lashes. And I went to Imats on Saturday and Sunday, so I do have both of the bracelets. So those are my Imats bracelets. Oh, okay. Just dropped one, but it's okay. So yeah, and then I have my Imats tickets. It's just like that. So you'll get these to your email, and it's just better if you print them out, honestly, and bring it. So have that. I have some cards. I'm gonna put these cards to the side because when you go to different booths, they always make sure they give you like their business cards and stuff. So they always make sure they give you their business cards. I'm just taking the business cards out, and I'm gonna sit those to the side, and we can go over the business card later. So let's see. Oh, I forgot I got that many. You guys, these bags are like the bottomless pit. I'm so sorry it's taking me forever. So the bag is empty now. I took everything out. So I actually didn't really buy much on Saturday, but unfortunately, I did buy from Lady Moss. Now, it's better, I think this is the first year that I've gone to Imats twice, like both days. Normally I just go one day, which is Saturday. This year I learned that you get the better prices if you go the second day. So Sunday the deals are like amazing. The deals are so good, guys. It's like a ripoff basically. But it's like a ripoff for you to pay Saturday because I definitely got ripped off. I brought 4 of the Lily Lash. Oh, these are not even Lily lashes. What the heck? I bought 4 Cocoa lashes, guys. So I'll tell you the name of each and the price. Now, on Saturday, it was 4 of the Cocoa Lashes for $22. When I went Sunday, I was like, oh, let me go through and get some more lashes. Do you guys know it was 3 lashes for $8? 3 lashes for $8, guys. I basically could have got 6 for less than what I paid, but yeah. I'm just like a little heated about that, obviously. I don't want to rant about it, but yeah. So these are the first pair of lashes that I got in Baby G. And then these were so cute that I got 2 pairs. So I got 2 pair of the Venus lashes. So these are the Venus lashes. And then I got that 9 to 5, guys, because I'm still working a 9 to 5. So I pulled out the 9 to 5. So those are the 4 lashes that I got from Lady Moss. I love Lady Moss. I wish that I caught the deal on Sunday. I should have waited. Like, now I know. When I go to these makeup conventions, I'm just going to wait for the second day. Just going to wait for the second day. So, as soon as you get to Imats, when you check in, you do get this bag. It's sponsored by Kat Von D this year. So, the bag says Kat Von D, Hearts, Imats. And it tells you it's 2018. So I had an extra bag in here, an extra tote bag. I'll sit that to the side. I might get that one to my mama Lisa or something. Oh, this was from Rude Cosmetics. I think what I'm going to do is sit all of the magazines over to the side that I got, and then we'll go over it later. So basically I went to different booths and like all the bags ended up in here. So now it is a empty tote bag. And let's talk about these. I should have wrote this down, guys. I just turned my camera on and start filming. Oh, okay. So this was the Violet Voss booth, and Violet Voss did not have any bag. I'm actually going to take these out and swatch them for you, okay? So this first one, it comes just like this. You can actually see that it's separated some there in the bottle. Can you guys see that? So I'm going to shake it up some. Yeah, that didn't help. But anyway, so let's go ahead and swatch this. So this is in the shade Lust 102. And we'll just give it a little swatch because this video is probably going to have a lot of swatches. Pretty mauve-y color. You guys know those are my favorite colors, so had to get that. This one is Risque 108. This is Risque 108 by Violet Voss. And last but not least, we have Vanity in 112. And here's Vanity 112. You can see that's just a shade down from Risque, a little deeper. It's like a plum color. You guys, I'm sorry, this video is about to be so long. Alright, the next two items that I got actually came from this company called Rude Cosmetics. So this is their magazine that they had at their booth. And Rude Cosmetics has a lot of makeup for the low, guys. Like, let me show you what I got. I never heard of them before neither, so I definitely made sure I stopped by them. I got this pretty glitter from them. It's in Gimme Your Furia. I guess I could take it out the box. So I do like this by Rude Cosmetics because it comes with a little glitter pot like this. And it has a little sifter here so that your product does not all fall out at once. You can just put the cap back on it and go. And then I also got the glitter primer. I don't really need to show you guys what the glitter primer looks like. I think this was only like $6. So I picked that up with the glitter, both from Rude Cosmetics. And so I spent a total of $7 or $8 at Rude Cosmetics. And I meant to tell you guys that at Violet Voss it was 3 for $5. So I probably should have got way more. I was just like not thinking. I was thinking of networking. So yeah, but I'm happy with my purchases. So that's that. The next booth that I stopped by, I was actually walking by the booth. And I was there with my sister-in-law. And she walked past the booth. And I was like, girl, come on back. You need to come on back because we need to stop at this booth. And if you guys saw my Imats vlog, then you already know what booth I'm talking about. So this was the Kira Cosmetics booth, and it comes in a bag just like this. Really pretty bag, pretty bag. So she focuses on foundation and makeup products that are not like cakey, okay? She does not like cakey foundation at all, so I love that. I love everything about her brand and just her spirit alone, like, it radiates. I don't think she realized it. Her whole aura like radiated to me. I was like, girl, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So anyways, the first product that I bought from Kira was actually no. I only bought this. I only bought the foundation stick, and it looks just like this. It comes in this really pretty packaging just like this. And when you open it, there's your product and you can twist it up. Now, it's picking up really, really light on camera. It is not this light at all because I'm going to use it to contour. So, yeah. It's actually really dark. It kind of looks like it's that dark right there without the light. So, the light is making it really light. But it's super, super creamy. I'll swatch a little tiny bit for you guys so you can see how dark this is. There it is right there. And this is in the shade Chocolate, and the color of the products are right at the bottom. And the names of the products are right at the bottom. So this one is in Chocolate. And I love how you can twist it up. And then Miss Kira herself definitely hooked me up. She hooked me up with her color corrector in the orange shade. It's called Age Control. Let me open it. Looks just like that. So this will be good to cover all of your dark spots, and this is really good for women of color, Caucasian women, Spanish women. All women can use this product right underneath the eye. So that's that. I actually don't know how much this cost. I'm gonna have to look into the prices because these were gifted to me for collaboration, so I'm not sure how much those cost, but I will look into it if you guys are interested, and I'll also leave her website in the description down below. So she also gave me the pot of the Duo. This is the HD Duo Camouflage, and I have the shade Deep to go with my complexion, and you just open it up like that. So this is the card, and like I said, it can be used on all types of women. You go from the beginner stage, is like the dark circles, to a nice bright face here. So yes, and on the back of the card, it shows all of the mini it shows all of the mini magazines that they've been featured in. So yeah, that's definitely my new favorite, Carrera. You can either mix the two to find your perfect shade. You can use this to highlight, this to contour, whatever you want to do with this. And I'll also find the price for this also for the Duo. Last but not least, she saw me eyeing this lippy. She knows that these are my colors. I think she picked that up when I was there. So I got this lippy, and it is in the shade Discreet. And this is the Luscious Lip. So let me swatch it for you guys. And I think this smells good. Yes, it does. It does smell good. I love it. So I'm going to stick Discreet right here, actually. Oh, it's so pretty. I think this one's definitely my favorite out of all the lippies that I got. Here's Discreet right there. So we have one more bag left, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I went back to Rude Cosmetics. The first products you guys saw from Rude Cosmetics was from Saturday. I went back on Sunday, and they were out of bags. So this is what they gave me. It's a little ghetto, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. So on Sunday, they had 2 for $5. So I picked up 4 of their liquid lipsticks. So these are the 4 shades that I picked up from Rude Cosmetics. We will do some more swatches. So this first one here is in the shade Vicious Cycle. Okay guys, so this is in the shade Vicious Cycle. Really pretty springy pink. The next one is in this shade Still Sizzling. So we have Still Sizzling. I'm just going to pop it down here. Still Sizzling is more toned down from the Vicious Cycle. So it's like if you want to take a step down to a more natural shade, you can try Still Sizzling. And these are all from Rude Cosmetics. Like I said, on Sunday they had them 2 for $5. So I picked up 4. The last color is like a Daredevil color. I got it in the shade Radical Red. So let's swatch that by itself right over there. Radical Red kind of gave me like Ruby Woo vibes, honestly. Okay, I think I only have one left. Oh, I had my glasses in there too, guys. These are my PD shades from my sister, if you know Prissy P. Yes. Yeah, so everybody loved these glasses when I was at Imats. So if you want a pair or like this pair but want different colors, definitely check out my sis website on pdshades.com. I will leave it in the description down below. Also, I got a lipstick pen. Cute little lipstick pen. You just take the lip off like that and you can write. So I thought that was super cute. Probably a little cute pen to keep in your purse. I got a lippy sample from the Ambreesh booth. Ambreesh Cosmetics, and this was the lippy that I received. It's in the shade Amani Rose. So let me swatch Amani Rose for you guys. You guys get into, I understand that this is like a sample travel size, but look at the wand, the applicator. Look at the clear crystal wand and then the applicator. That is like to die for. So I'm going to swatch this right here. It's so creamy and soft. And I believe if you wanted the Ambreesh Cosmetics lippy, it was like $26. So I didn't buy it, honestly. I mean, MAC Cosmetics was there selling their lippies at like $12, guys. So I was like, I'll pass. Last but not least, I got a new mirror. This is from Crown Pro. So it's not going to replace my Hollywood vanity mirror, but it'll replace this mirror. I know you guys see me use this mirror sometimes. That's an old... Oh. Okay, so it'll replace that old mirror because that mirror is from like 6 years ago and the light doesn't even work anymore. So this one from Crown Pro comes with a full mirror, the stand, a little area for me to put my things. The button here, you just tap it lightly and then the lights will come on, and then it has a mirror here, a little magnifying mirror, and you can like move it wherever you want so that you can have it magnified and do your wing liner, your eyeshadow, whatever you want to do, boo. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my Imats haul. I know that I did not have that much as I did previous years. This year I was just more so focused on networking and meeting you guys and meeting new people, new faces, all that. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any video requests or want to tell me anything, just let me know down in the comments so we can chat. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!